Assalamu alaikum, doctor. I am Muhammad Faisal Ahmed. Today I would like to present my final year project. My final year project topic is a case study on investigation of energy savings potential for Twin Dr. Ismail Residential College UTSM. Content title. Here is the given my project total content title. Introduction, problem statement, objective, scope, significance of the project, literature review, methodology, result, and conclusion. Introduction. The regularly rising fuel cost is felt by every nation around the world. Energy optimization is one methodology that is being examined and accurate. In the 21st century, electricity as energy has found its safe use in business, commercial, industrial, and in every life. It has been reported that 50% of the total electricity are used in the United States only for building, coal and heat and power consumption purpose. Problem statement. In my project, I find out the total 4 problem statement. Number 1. The most important impressing sector is building, as it consumes about 13% of the total energy demand and about 48% of the total average total use of electricity energy. Many works have been established on the regulating of the energy efficiency to improve the energy consumption in building. More effort is needed to study the energy efficiency of the electricity use due to growth of UTSM. And last problem statement is this research was carried to study the energy efficiency in Twin Dr. Ismail Residential College building in UTSM. Objective. The main objective of current study are listed as: Number 1. To identify the energy use pattern in hostel building KKTDI in UTSM. And second one is to suggest energy savings opportunities in KKTDI hostel building by improving the behavior of the users. Scope. Current study was carried out to investigate the energy savings potential for hostel building in University Tun Hussein Al Malaysia, UTSM, Parichaja. Twin Dr. Ismail hostel building was chosen as a case study. The study focused on data collection on electricity consumption, energy consumption analysis, and outlining the energy savings potential that can be conducted to reduce the electricity consumption in KKTDI hostel building. Significance of the project. The result of the case study will contribute the faculties to atoms the optimal energy savings potential, the utilization of proper electrical equipment with the smart time, and apply the standard measurement system for avoiding critical energy consumption issue. Literature review. Many researchers confidently state some information. So here is I put total 6 important information that is given here. Methodology. To achieve the objective and scope of this project, several techniques or measurements have been selected to gain information and data for the study involved are: selecting the appropriate building, conducting energy use pattern, identify and conducting energy efficiency measurement, conducting energy conscience survey among user, economics analysis of the various energy efficiency measurement. Here is the given my framework. This one is my framework. It's my work schedule is like start, then literature review to identify the potential energy savings for KKTDI, to examine the average energy consumption on monthly, then to process the method to reduce monthly cost utility bill in KKTDI, then result and discussion, and finally end. This one is the physical layout of the building. So from this figure we see that here is total 4 block: block A, block B, block C, and block D, and this one is the block administration. So in this figure is showing that block A, block B, and block C and block D are almost similar. Here is my survey questions. I put total 2 survey, survey number 1 and survey number 2. Survey 1 I put total 9 questions, and survey 2 I put total 17 questions. Using this survey I use my next calculation part also. Here is the given is my equations. Using this equation I do next step. The details equipment of the building block A. So from block A building I have total 4th floor. So now ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor, and every devices already attested here, and as well as total watt also. Number B, number C, and number D is almost similar. So I just follow block A, and part doing using the block A I put do block B, block C, and block D. This is the total equipment of the building block administration. Block administration is the little bit different than others block. Block administration have total 2 floor, ground floor and first floor. Result: monthly KKTDI energy consumption and energy cost for 2018 and 2019. Here is the given the accurate bill that I collect from university. Using this bill, monthly billing energy, monthly billing energy billing over the period of 2 years, 2018 and 2019. So here is the given that this one is for 2018 and this one for 2019. So I see that from 2019 January to 2018 January to 2019 there is a huge gap, that is electricity is more increased from 2018 to 2019. Here using the survey and as per their requirement I put their value and I calculate that. Then finally I put here block A, block B, block C, and block D, all equipment as well as cost also. And this one is same as block A, block B, block C, and this one for block administration. So block administration total equipment is like tube light normal, tube light small, round shape, light, etc. So this one is the break even of monthly bill according to equipment types. So from my survey and result I see that total 54.33% used for lighting purpose, and second one is 24.78, that is for fan purpose, and air condition is 11.40, and others 9.49%. And this one is the down of estimate energy consumption. So total is 100%. Energy efficiency index. Here is the given for 2 years energy efficiency index. That is in from 2018 January to 2018 December. Total energy efficiency index is 25, and 2019 January to 2019 December is 13.49. The result of survey on hostel building lighting, and this one is the result of survey on the hostel air condition system. So the survey number 2, I put total 17 question. First 10 question is regarding hostel lighting system, and question 11 to 17 is on air condition system. Then I get their feedback, and using their feedback I put this diagram here. Consumptions between comparison between UTSM monthly average bill and the recorded cost of survey number 1, and this one comparison between UTSM monthly bill and the recorded cost of survey number 2. So here is showing that monthly UTSM bill, average monthly UTSM bill is 25,771, and using my survey number 1 as students required, then if we put that, then it's almost 2k, sorry 20k, and survey number 2 for others additional information added, then is going to almost 19k point something. Conclusion. The average monthly electricity charge for the building is 25,780.37, and the estimate energy electricity consumption based on actual air conducting is 19,489.13. Energy use in lighting, fan, computer, printer, photocopies, and others office building. Lighting is the highest energy consumption, which can be contributed about 54.33% from the total estimate cost. The second highest is fan, around 24.78%, and the third highest is the air condition, around 11.40%. Others costs around 9.49%. The energy savings opportunities or measurement purpose in the hostel building, it belongs to categories. One is related to improving human behavior, and the others is related to improving physical characteristics of the building. It's improve the physical purpose of the building. Survey from around 59% of response turned on the light and 41% time off. It steps and student can change their habit and turn off light, and air condition energy consumption can be reduced by around 2.89%. Therefore, The awareness of staff and student is very important. Such organizations need to have effort program to make consumers aware and save energy. I found that implementing energy efficiency measure can be reduce monthly energy consumption by around 24.40%. Thank you.